So I was snooping around in a thrift store. Look what I found. Ta-da! Koh-I-Noor 5635 model. Yes, I've been looking for this pencil for a long time, and just going on website and buying a pencil is not that exciting. This screams quality. Let's take a closer look. So this guy been through some beating, definitely. Lead sleeve definitely has a little bend to it. It has lots of scratches. The grip is all dirty, has some paint on it. Most likely it was used by an artist. Why would an engineer or a draftsman have a paint, right? The body is made out of firm, reliable plastic. LED grade indicator rotates perfectly well still. Push button cap has stamp of a diameter. Another fun feature of older models is red eraser. Nice, huh? And clean out needle. Okay, now the click test. That's reasonable. I like how firm this pencil is, but it's still not too heavy. Let's actually try it now, because the purpose of pencils is to draw with them, not to talk about them. However, I like to do both. Okay, this is far from finished, but I need to stop here. So most of the drawing time I held my pencil like this and allow the weight of the pencil push the graphite on the page, and I can go layer by layer, path by path, and slowly but surely gain the values. Naturally, most of the mechanical pencils are meant to be held like this for writing and cross-hatching maybe, and drafting obviously, but also perfectly suited for traditional drawing grip. So, thank you for watching, my dear Bublichki. I'll see you next time.